Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to add product wish lists to the site Odoo. So here is how you can actually do it. So first of all guys, the product wish list or the shop, the product wish list, it is an additional feature. So it is not a main feature and it comes with product comparison, wish list, product highlights and other many cool features that comes with Odoo shop. So how to actually enable it? Here is how. Wishlist. The wishlist or add to wishlist button allows customers to add products to their wishlist. An example, save them for later. It is simply enabled by default and available on each product page. This button can be enabled independently in different sections of the website in case you want it to be in a specific place. So, in product page, go to product page, open the website editor, go to Style tab, navigate to the product details section, and toggle the wishlist button. Once done, it becomes available in each product page. The catalog page. To display the wishlist button on the shop page, open the website editor, go to Style and click Paintbrush icon next to the product design. In the action section, toggle the wishlist button and choose between fixed and fixed on hover. And finally, we have the header. To display the wishlist icon into the header, open the website editor, click the header, navigate to the Show Hide Element section, and toggle wishlist icon next to the Show Empty. If it is not enabled, the wishlist icon can only appear when an item has been added to the wishlist. The number of items in the wishlist is also displayed next to the icon. And yeah, this is basically how you can add wishlists to your shop in Odoo. Thank you guys a lot for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. And see you guys in the next upcoming video.